Hello everyone and welcome to your all in mathematics class. Yes, and today we are going to study the following topics: that decimal numbers in expanded form, place value of a digit in decimal number, and then multiplication and division of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000, lakh, 10 lakh such numbers. Okay, so now let us start here. You can see that first of all the topic is that decimal numbers in expanded form. So you can see this example, that is 28.56. So this number you have to write in expanded form. So how you will write? You may write that 2 into 10, because this 2 is the tens digit. Multiply each and every digit with its tens place, with its place value, you can say. So 2 is at the place of tens, so you can multiply with 10, and 8 place is ones here, so 8 into 1, and then come to the right of the decimal point. 5 place is 1 by 10th place, so 5 into 1 by 10, and then 6 place is 1 by 100th, it is 100th place, so you will write multiply with 1 by 100, because 100th means 1 by 100 here. So 5 into 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100. So each independent terms you will join with the plus sign. Then the next number is 64.952. This is 64.952. Then you can write it is 6 into 10, because 6 is the tens digit, 4 is the ones digit, so 4 into 1, and then 9 is what? 9 is the 10th digit, so 1 by 10th, 9 into 1 by 10, and 5 is here 100th digit, so 5 by 100. Okay, 5 into 1 by 100, then 2 into 1 by 1000, because 2 is the 1000th digit here. So this way you can arrange the number in expanded form, decimal numbers. Now we have the place value of a digit in decimal number. So if this is the number 4265.37, 4265.37, so what is the place value of 2 here? So 2 is the, you can see 100, it is given at the 100 place, ones, tens and 100, so 2 is the 100 place here, so that means you will multiply with 100. So place value of 2 is 2 into 100 means 200. Now place value of 6 in this given number 9265.38. So 6 is the tens digit here, so you will multiply with 10, means 6 into 10. So always multiply the digit with its place, whatever place it occupies in the number. So 6 is occupying the tens place, so multiply with the tens digit, means 6 into 10, it is giving 60. So place value of 6 in this given number 9265 is 60 here. Now place value of 8 here in the number 9265.38, and 8 is written to the right side of the decimal point, and it is the second digit here, means the 10th digit, sorry, that is 10th and then 100th digit. 8 is the 100th digit, so you will multiply with 100, 1 by 100, 100th digit it is. Okay, so 1 by 100 you will multiply 8 with 1 by 100, so it is 8 by 100 means 0.08. It is the place value of 8 in the number 9265.38. Now multiplication of decimal numbers with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, such numbers are there, where the starting digit is 1 and afterwards 0 0 only. So 67.895 into 10, here the 10 has only 1 0, so decimal point will shift one digit in the right side. Okay, so you can write here it is 678.95. now in this example it is 67.895, and into 100 means you are multiplying with 100, so 100 has two zeros, so decimal point will shift two digit towards the right side here, so that the number you will get 6789, that means 6789.5. okay, That means the decimal point has shifted 2 digits to the right side. Now here 5.8653 multiplied by 1000. So the 1000 has 3 zeros. So here the decimal point is going to shift 3 digits towards the right side, right direction here. Then you will get the number 5865.3. 865.3. Earlier it was 5.86 only, so here decimal point is going to shift here. Okay. Now division of decimal numbers by similar 10, 100,000, 10,000 such numbers are there, where starting digit is 1 only and afterwards 0. So 68.95 divided by 10 equals to, here by dividing with such numbers the decimal point is shifting left side, and how many digits it will shift, that is based on the number of zeros given in the numbers, in the divisors, number of zeros given in the divisor, and divisors are such numbers you can see 10, 100 and 1000. So the result is 6.895. Now we have this rule here working, that shifting the decimal point to the left side by 1 place here, because it has 1 0 only. Now the next number I am writing here, 68.95 divided by 100 here. So 100, the divisor is 100 here and it has 2 zeros. So decimal point is going to shift 2 digit left side. 2 digit left side you can say, shifting the decimal point to the left by the 2 place. So number is 0.6895 here. So this way you can solve the questions of division by 10, 100 and 1000. Now here division of decimal numbers by whole number also. Okay, so it is 0.4 divided by 2, means you may write that 4 by 10, because 0.4 is 4 by 10, it is divided by 2. Now reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2, so here you will write 1 by 2. Okay, reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2, you will write and put the multiply sign here at the place of division. So now solve this. You can cut this 2 into 1s and 2 into here 2 times you can cut. So result is 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means 0.2. Okay, in decimal. Now 0.35 divided by 5 here, then it is 35 by 100, convert it into fraction 35 by 100, because the decimal point here, after decimal point 2 digits are there, so 2 zeros below you will write. Now reciprocal of 5 here is 1 by 5, so 35 by 100 into 1 by 5, this you may cut in 7 times, 5 into 7 times it is 35, you can cut here. So result is 7 by 100 means 0.07. The numerators and denominators will divide here. So now you can complete this exercise, these fractions and decimals, 2 remaining exercises 2.6 and 2.7 of NCERT easily based on this, and watch this video nicely for understanding this all topics. And thank you all of you, and have a nice day.